Okay, Tim, we need some low flybys. Maybe even a little crash. That would be nice. I wouldn't mind a little crash. I think he's afraid to get it down here because it's so windy. Crash, crash! That's okay, as long as I got it on camera. Looks like the ESC's working all right, isn't it? Crash it! Wow! Tim's flying like an expert. Well, almost. I probably could have came over and turned that over for you. I guess I didn't make it there. I was too busy with the camera. Somebody's knocking at my door. That's my text message. I like it. I'll talk to you a little bit about that here in a little bit. Not way out. We want it real close. You're flying too far away now. How you gonna get close to me when you're a mile out? Pilot almost hit the pilot. Need to come in from down that way. Yeah, I guess you're aimed in it right there. Right there. Well, but still that is you hook them up? Oh. Oh, there's the crash. Oh, shoot, he didn't work anything. Try again. And it wasn't, huh? Ooh, it is! Wow. Yep, a couple inches. storm here. Jeez, I can't even hardly pick it up and hold on to it. Jeez. All I needed was to roll a little bit and it's in the air. Do it over here. Need to pick it up. Got you all stressed out now, didn't it? Curtis said good.